Before I went full-time with Propnex, I was a cabin crew with Singapore Airlines. I went full-time because I've started a family and my son was less than 1 year old. Flying made me always away and I wanted to be around. I took the leap of faith in 2018 March. I left a full-time job into the unknown. I'm married, mortgage, 10-month-old son. I enjoyed being a real estate consultant because I really can touch people's lives. When I went to full-time on 27 March 2018, I was doing well and confident. My mother-in-law is diagnosed with pancreatic cancer in April 2018. My wife was devastated and hopeless. The doctor gave her 6 months. I flew into Singapore for treatment at National Cancer Centre, monthly full cash payment, no MediSave, no insurance. But my new career gave me the flexibility and time and possibility to earn the much needed medical fee for her treatment. We fought hard as a family. To be honest with you, I'm not a full-time agent. I'm a full-time father, son, husband. I'm only a part-time agent. Cancer treatment goes like this. It takes 1 month for one cycle. So basically 3 weeks of treatment and 1 week of rest before the next cycle. Every week the medicine will make my mom suffer and she has to fight together. So I'll be home as much as possible when my wife is taking care of the kid, of Max. After much fighting, I have 1 week every month to fully concentrate on my work. 2018 my ranking was 320, 2019 289. As of yesterday, my mom just completed her 17th cycle. I want to win this for her. Thank you for watching. I'll see you.